Soy el capitán Antonio García de la compañía de Calpe. Estamos en pleno temporal, el temporal no ha pasado y estamos en alerta naranja por fuerte viento y fuerte oleaje. Como podéis ver, los destrozos han sido debido al oleaje y viento, y lo que rogamos es, ya que me das esta oportunidad, es que no se acerquen familias con niños y tal a la zona costera porque es peligroso. El mar, el tiempo como está, no es conveniente venir a echarse el selfie, la foto. Puede costarle un disgusto, se puede caer cualquier objeto, desprenderse, los daños son importantes y el riesgo existe.
And we're here now in the port of Javia, the Puerto de Javia, and as you can see behind me, the Guardia Civil, who are concerned, especially after an incident in Calpe earlier today when a man slipped and broke his leg whilst he was taking photographs on his phone. They are urging people not to come down here, especially people with children, as it seems to have become a sightseeing tour in its own right. And they are very alarmed at the risks of flying debris. And the fact is that although things may seem to have calmed down, there's prediction for around 5-6 o'clock this evening for the waves to become higher and high winds again. Only 5 or 6 on the Beaufort scale, still gale force and still extremely fast. So please, we urge you not to come out. Certainly don't go anywhere near the sea.